Mfoka Mashabela uthini ngoJuju is found wanting. Ukhulunywa ngaye lapha eMadlanga Commission. Wena ndoda uthatha iside, wena ndoda EFF minion. Ladlala lo. Alemtsebi Juju lo. You guys will wish, man. You will wish. You will eventually collapse. You will eventually collapse. Sorry, keep the heart attack. Let's go, the heart attack. The man is the wind. Oshebe when I like 16, June 16, I address at the EFF, the members of the organization through and through. Oshebe Little collapse. He is the man. He is who he think he is. He is the wind. Uchu ebana santan le tlonyo fa di dustbin le bule le di wallet le bele tshware le bo di condom tse sebeditseng le tlabala tshware le di condom tse sebeditseng uchu gelo. Hey, I remember the story of VPS. We come far with the organization they call the EFF. We come far. The story of the VPS disappeared when Floyd Shivambo went and joined that hostel Stockfell thing called MKP. The story of VPS disappeared. They will always try to find something from the man, but they always get disappointed. You know, they always get disappointed. Runa makabane ka Juju, mafighter achabulile. Remember ka 16. He's gonna address the members of the society, the community, EFF members and South Africa Chigele. You guys are gonna be found wanting. What is wrong with Juju discussing certain issues with General Khan? So Julius can be friends with these people. If he is friends with criminal, is he really a criminal? Is he really a criminal? If it's possible that Julius is friends with these criminals, what about your comrades? What about your Grotmans? What about the members of the MKP? What about the members of the ANC? Why always Julius? Why always Julius? He is the wind. Then you ask yourself why all these parties have got the problem with the EFF. Why is the system so against the organization called the EFF? If it's the fourth biggest organization in this country, after DA, after MKP, after ANC, but it is the one which becomes the problem of the society, the masses, and the capital. Then you ask yourself, this organization is big. Then what happened May elections, the previous elections, where we come from, heading towards this local government elections that are coming soon? Make it make sense. When we come and tell you guys that the elections in Africa are rigged, they are rigged, they are manufactured, they are orchestrated, they are designed, and already the results are there before we can even go and vote. Shall we push up? Shall we push up in the meantime? In the meantime, shall we warm up? The 16 he is going to address the nation. The president of this country, he is going to address the nation. He is going to address the masses. Little collapse, all of you. Even now, you will never find anything. Julius Malema survived in the ANC. That organization, when they expel this man, they saved this country. They saved the country. So they wish that they can find something. Lest we forget, during the era of Floyd in the EFF, VPS was always part of the EFF. VPS. How? Floyd left. VPS disappeared. VPS disappeared. Then today they were, why do you always want to find something from Julius other than all these political leaders? Other than all these political, all of them, they can't be criminals, but they want to find something with Julius. They wish they can find something from this man. You guys really think Julius is that stupid? You think Julius is that stupid? After what happened in the ANC, when they tried to corrupt him with all the monies that they plunged into him, as young as he was. Even now, there's a little collapse. Narona mafaita re mo emetse ka di 16 a tlo addressa setšhaba. A ke re ke ntho le kopang le matlantwa. A le fetsa le tlo re ke ntwa dumela. If Julius can be corrupt, think about Jacob Zuma in the MKP hostel stock fair. If Julius can be corrupt, think about Ramaphosa. You don't even say anything about Ramaphosa and the Palapala. If Julius can be corrupt, think about our John Steenhuisen and the new leader that they just elected recently. Think about our Musi Maiman. Think about our Gayton McKenzie. Think about our Herman Mashaba. If Julius can be corrupted. No. Leave these ones. We want this one. We want this one who's advocating for land, expropriation of land without compensation. Nationalize our banks, nationalize our mines, get rid of tender systems. Free quality basic education. Build state capacity so that the young ones can be able to create and get jobs and industrialize this continent, this country called South Africa. That is only the problem. That is only the problem. They won't find anything. They won't find anything from that man. Even now, nka betcha, nka itumamo. Nka betcha ka mmemao, nka betcha ka mmemtswala, nka betcha ka ragadi le malome le rangwane le ramoholo. Ke se, nka betcha ka sister ka tlu. Nka betcha ka hloni, nka betcha ka mahlatsi. Nka betcha ka lethabo, nka betcha ka hlompho, nka betcha ka khumutso. Bana ba ka bao. Wait until the 16 di fihla. Ka utswa wena tsotsi. Uzoza wena tsotsi. Julius usabeba kanjani? Julius mfuna phansi. Nimatlafatsa nana ka se mthole. One by one, all of you will collapse. Instead of him collapsing, all of you will collapse. Ask Floyd, ask Mbuyiseni, ask Ringo, ask Gayton, ask Mkitama, ask Kenny Kunene, ask Fana Mokoena, ask all of these people who were in the EFF. Where are they today? Even now, Madlanga Commission, they are playing politics. The man is the wind. The man, Osaraki Madlanga Commission, Moja Love. So many political parties against the EFF. So many political parties against the EFF. How many political parties we have in this country today? 400 and something. The only one with this beret. Ever hands off. We respect this beret. This beret is the wind. This beret is continental. This beret is global. The man is who he think he is. Ever and next the Tolango Madlanga Commission. Fuck all. The reason why we vote the EFF is because of its cleanliness. Away from taxpayers' money, away from corruption. You can paint us as with whatever paint that you can find. Go build us a warehouse. There's nothing that you are going to find against the EFF and its leader. Tlo collapse ke di heart attack. O tlo morena ke kautu morena. E tlo ngata kautu collapse and that the tsukere tlo terrorize that prostate cancer e tlo nka yo futhula.
Siyakubingelela mbukeli. Nangu ubhuti lana ethi bayambuza ngoMalema njengoba eyilunga le-EFF ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Uthi hhayi yena ubhuti usebheke iyi-16 nje kuyoqhuma nhlavana ezinye ziyofeketha. Wena mbukeli uthini? Uthini wakho umbono? Uthini wakho umbono? Ngempela uJuju uphunywa bemphethe? Hhayi mbukeli, awube wakho umbono, sihlangane evidweni elandelayo. Bye bye.